nucleus holds the cell's genetic information, DNA, which contains the genes as well as the information to make proteins. The DNA is organized into units called chromosomes. Enclosed around the nucleus is the nuclear envelope, a double membrane which helps to separate its contents from the cytoplasm. The pores of the membrane then function to filter and regulate the entry and exits of particles such as proteins, RNA, and other macromolecules. Right along the nucleus is the rough endoplasmic reticulum. It is lined with ribosomes which function to produce proteins. These proteins are then transported throughout the body as needed through the accessibility of transport vesicles. Outside the rough ER is the smooth endoplasmic reticulum. It has no ribosomes on its membranes, hence smooth. It takes part in various metabolic processes such as the synthesis of lipids, metabolism of carbohydrates, and the detoxification of drugs and poisons. By adding hydroxyl groups to drug molecules, they make the drugs more soluble, so they can be removed from the body. In addition, the enzymes of the smooth ER are very important to the production of sex hormones.
Ribosomes are the organelles that assemble proteins for the cell. They are made of rRNA and protein to synthesize proteins. Some are on the rough ER and are called bound ribosomes. Others float freely in the cytoplasm and are called free ribosomes. Within the cytoplasm of the cell, there are organelles such as mitochondria. The mitochondria are the sites of cellular respiration. ATP, as a result, is generated by the breakdown of sugar and fats. These organelles have two membranes, phospholipid bilayers with embedded protein as well as their own DNA. The inside of the mitochondria is characterized by cristae, which are the folds and ridges of the organelle. Vacuoles have several different functions. Some, called food vacuoles, hold food for the cell. Contractile vacuoles pump water in and out of the cell to maintain proper concentration of salts. Plant cells also contain a large central vacuole that stores various compounds for the plant. The centrioles functions to help the cell replicate. This replication occurs before the cell divide. It is composed of 9 sets of triplet microtubules arranged in a ring.
Alrighty, let's move back a bit to the Golgi apparatus. This organelle is the center of manufacturing, warehousing, sorting, and shipping. The products of the ER is transported here and are modified prior to being sent out to other destinations in the body. The Golgi apparatus consists of flattened membrane, sac, or cisternae. Basically, it looks like a piece of pita bread. Vesicles are also within a close vicinity due to its function of transportation. Lysosomes aid in the cell's digestion. They also recycle damaged cells and help break down dead ones. Flagella are specialized arrangements of microtubules which are responsible for propelling the cell and creating movement. Additionally, cilia function to sweep the region of the body.
Now let's put it all together.